I got it on nickels, and
Monopoly
I finally
Express.
got the red one. The actual Monopoly
Here we
Express.
go.
Fill it in. We are on
That's an
570. Now
upgrade ticket.
Yes. Ooh. Okay. Do I get more or that's it? Oh, 3 spins remaining. Yes. It's a re-trigger feature. Oh yeah, give me another upgrade, please. Ooh, upgrade, yes. All right, another purple, let's go. Yes. Oh, I need one, give me one. Oh, please give me one, keep it alive.
Let's get these trains rolling.
That was so mean. It psyched me out. Green first. And these are nickels. Okay, now purple.
Shake your caboose.
Okay, now my red one.
Next stop, your wallet. Let's see what you want.
Over 25 bucks for that one.
Not too shabby. Wow, nice
60
one.
bucks. What a beautiful win.
Big
I will
win.
take it. That's over $60. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And we didn't even pop the container. We actually just got 5 cars because on 5 cent